Hi, my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, loves. Hi, hi, hi. How are you guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Um, I have some news, and I thought I would do a quick video to give you guys all the updates that I have to give you. Okay, so let's get right into it, guys. Um, Today I'm coming on to invite all the creators to participate in my very first collab series. It is called Divas DIY Glam Series 2019. Okay. Sorry, I'm reading my notes here, guys, but I have to write everything down. Okay, so so just bear with me. Okay. I have asked elaborate designs by Ieasha to join me as a co-host, okay? And she graciously accepted. So thank you again, Ieasha. Thank you so much. Okay? Now I'm going to tell you guys the rules. Okay, the rules are number one, you are to create DIYs that are either shiny, blingy, or mirrored. Number two, you can bling or glam up something you already have, something that you bought, or something from scratch. It doesn't matter. Number three, you can do as many DIYs as you want in the month of November. And when I get through reading all the rules, I'll explain that. Number four, you must mention your host and link their channel in your description box along with the hashtag Divas DIY Glam Series 2019. Number five, you must mention in your video if your DIY is shiny, if it's blingy, or if it's mirrored. Number six, you must have fun creating your DIY. Of course, yes, 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 definitely. Have fun with it, guys. It's your DIY, okay? Number seven, the upload date is November 4th. That's when it will start, the very first day that it will start that you can upload. November 4th, 2019, after 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time until November 30th, 2019, 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay? So, let me go back up to number three, where I said you can do as many DIYs as you would like in the month of November. That means that, excuse me, guys, if you want to do one DIY in the month of November, that's fine. If you want to do 2, 3, 4, 50, it doesn't matter. It is fine. As long as they're all in the month of November, because that is the series, okay? And the only thing that I ask is that when you do your DIY, the same rules apply. Make sure you mention the host in your description box, and also make sure you use that hashtag Divas DIY Glam Series 2019. Now, I call myself making a playlist, okay? I don't know if that's going to work out, but if you use that hashtag, it doesn't matter. Your video will still, or should still, be able to come up with everybody else's video just by using that hashtag, okay? So no worries there, okay? Um, I don't know. I probably will make me like maybe do a DIY like once a week in the month of November. And I don't know. That's probably what I'll do. If I come up with more ideals, I'll do more. Okay. But yeah, guys, I want you guys to participate in this. I would appreciate all creators to participate. Guys, I would love to see your DIYs. We're going to glam up the month of November. Okay. We're going to just do these DIYs. And that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. Okay. So, I have some more news for you guys, so let me turn here. Um, Okay, we did that. Updates on my channel. Okay, this is going to be some updates. The new update upload day will be Wednesdays. I will upload every Wednesday. I will try to give you guys new content every Wednesday, so you'll know when to expect to see my videos. Okay, so that's going to be the new date for that. And also my creator video collabs, they could be any day, because you know, you never know when a collab is going to be on. So I will be doing those as well. Okay, so expect those too. um Besides the DIYs that I do on this channel, and the room tours, and the decorating, and the tablescapes, I will be doing shopping hauls now, okay? Grocery shopping hauls. You guys know that I do Dollar Tree hauls, but I'm adding the grocery shopping hauls because I like doing them, and plus I want to give you guys some new content, and I hope that you will enjoy the new content that I am putting on the channel. Okay. Okay, so now for the big news. Okay, guys. Okay. I don't know if you guys know, I have reached my 1K. Okay, my 1K subscribers. Yay, yay, yay. Y'all gotta excuse my voice. I'm dealing with my bronchitis right now, so excuse my voice, but I am super, super excited, guys. I would not been able to get here without you guys. I mean, you guys are the best. I mean, you guys are awesome, for real. And I really, really appreciate all of you, all my new subscribers, all my oldies but goodies, guys. I love you. I love you to death. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, okay? Because you have really helped me to make this channel grow, okay? So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. Excuse me again. Yeah, so that's all of the things that I got going on, guys, and I can't stress enough that I would love you guys to participate with me in this series, in this collab, and I can't wait, like I said, to see what all you guys come up with. Um, it's going to be a fun series. We're going to make it fun, and you know, just do what you do and come up with something great. I mean, it could be a small DIY, it could be a huge DIY. It doesn't matter, guys. We just gonna do all the DIYs that we possibly can and glam up the month of November, okay? So guys, with all of that being said, I'm gonna go get my voice together, okay? And I'm going to see you guys in the next video, okay? So until next time, guys, bye-bye.